Hi, it's Jasmine coming to you mid-August. Happy dog days of summer. Hope everybody's summer is going really, really well. Just a brief update for you as to what's happening. So I'm going to compare some numbers from now to this time last year. Sales are up 22%, which makes for a very strong summer market where we typically anticipate is going to be slower than it is. Sales up 22%. Median price up 2.5% in North Vancouver from this time last year. And inventory is down 26%. So that probably is contributing. The low selection is contributing to keeping those prices buoyant. And last year at this time, typical days on market from listing to sold was about 11 days. And now that's shortened to 8. And again, a factor of low inventory and still a fair amount of competition out there. So buyers are finding ways to buy despite the recent and continued increase in interest rates, which is really the hot topic right now. So listen carefully, especially those of you that are looking to renew or refinance. Bond yields are higher right now, taking fixed rates a little bit higher. So your typical conventional posted rate for 5 years right now is about 6.64%. That brings payments on $100,000 to $678 per month, a far cry from what it was just 6 short months. Is your mortgage renewing or are you wanting to refinance in less than a year? Start talking to mortgage professionals now. For sure, you can talk to your bank by all means if they've been giving you good service over time. But I would highly, highly recommend that you speak with a mortgage broker. Don't get into the position where you're waiting till the last moment and you're afraid as to what your new rate is going to be when you renew. They have lots of ways to help you through that thought process and actually getting you a good rate. And speaking of which, if you are thinking of locking in, like you're on a variable or you're starting a new mortgage, the word on the street, I guess, from a lot of mortgage brokers that we've spoken to is that the overnight rate may drop over the next 2 years. And so locking in for a 5-year rate might be less desirable now than locking in for a 2-year rate. Now, there's always a bit of risk involved there because you do have to watch the market. But to me, that sounds like good advice. There are some great mortgage brokers that we highly recommend that are listed on our website at thebottoteam.com. There's still a lot of first-time buyers in the market, so people are finding ways to buy despite this recent and continued increase in rates. But I just got an email this afternoon with a little bit of good news suggesting from people in the economist world that maybe the Bank of Canada will not raise rates on September 6th. So fingers crossed for that. In the meanwhile, we look forward to a couple of weeks of a bit of a lull so that we can work on our business, but we welcome your phone calls because we know that September is coming and that is a strong listing and sales period. So if anybody's thinking of listing their home for the fall, we should be talking now. Give us a call anytime. We always love speaking with you. All the best to you. Hope to speak with you soon. Bye for now.